Everybody, we're back. We bagged going up the street there because it really hasn't been plowed, and although the Siberian can break through the trail, Mom's boots just aren't high enough so that she won't drown in snow by the time we get home. Khyra, I know you want to go see Max and play with him, but the snow's over his head. He's just a little pup. Yeah, so back we go. This should wear her out a bit. Just a bit. And maybe later we'll get out again. There just isn't much happier in life than watching Siberians inhale snow. Plus, I have discovered, since I took the gloves off to send a few pictures through a text message and email on my phone, my fingertips are numb. So yes, another sign. Then we'll go back home. Get back in the house. Upload these to YouTube so we can share them. And stage them for Khyra's blog for Thursday. Oh yeah. That is one happy fluffy tail and some very nice snow-panted loons. I also realized I forgot my scarf, so yeah, we'll pack it in after we get back to the house. She's having fun. We did set up, as I had said, about some boxes on the porch for Butterscotch and Brofer, but unfortunately the way the storm's coming, it's blowing into that corner. Even though the corner's dry, there's snow blowing on it. So I have rigged up a few other things for them, including putting some rugs under the bushes at the front window, because the bush collects most of the snow. Brofer seems happy there. And the nice OP Kansas lady suggested a laundry basket, which I did put out a laundry basket too, with the rug over top of it and this little blanket inside. I do have Khyra's crate that I contemplated putting out there, but it's awful large. It's also a good storage repository in the laundry room, and I really don't want Butterscotch and Brofer to be afraid that they're getting trapped. So for now, we'll go with the boxes in the basket for Butterscotch and Brofer. How many bees is that? Lots of bees. And I think Mom will be having some more bees, as in beer, tonight. She's on a harp kick, although now she's really thinking black and tan, because the person that turned her on to the harp, she told him that that's a beer that goes with Guinness for black and tan. So we made a run for beer yesterday. We're not going out again today. So thanks everybody. We're back to the house. Ready to go up? Go back in? Oh, to have a coat that all you have to do is shake and the snow comes off. Come on, Khyra. Have some fun. Here is Khyra's mound snow. Okay, let's go. Come on. Come on, Snow Bunny Bear. Snow Bunny Husky Dog, come on, let's go. Up here. Come on, back into the house. Well, looks like Miss Khyra wants the Snowford Kingdom some more. So, we'll end the video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Maybe we'll even be back again soon. Take care, stay safe. Bye.